Sowing Teeth, a boring, true story about something strange. By me, Seana Higgins. When I was a kid, my relationship to teeth was pretty similar to other kids. I'd wiggle them until my mom yanked them out, or I'd lost them haphazardly. I never thought much of my disembodied teeth once I received that sweet tooth fairy dollar under my pillow. But when I was maybe 11 or so, I sat on my parents' bed to rifle through some jewelry my mom kept in this coffee cup on her dresser. I dumped the contents onto the bedspread, only to discover every single crusty baby tooth I had ever lost, there among the mismatched earrings. I honestly don't remember addressing this horror with my parents, as I can't imagine what I would have, what need I would have for an explanation at that point. Years go by, and one of my relatives with kids posts something on Facebook. Oh wait, got a little tooth under there, but that's fine. Something on Facebook about something to do with kids and teeth and how to appropriately store them. My mom commented on her storage methods, and I gave that comment a dislike. Now, as an adult, I speak to my mother daily on the phone as per our agreement in 2003 when I moved away for college. We were talking one day, as we do, and I mentioned the post about the teeth. She said that, since I found it so weird that she still held on to the teeth coffee cup, she had taken all my baby teeth and buried them in her back garden. This happened several years ago, but every time I go visit my mom for a weekend, I check to see if the teeth seeds have grown anything. I don't know what I expected. Maybe some flowers. Or maybe some other body parts. Like eyeballs. Or something.
Now, imagine there's a gate in front of us. A charming, lovely gate in a peaceful setting. Maybe you know this gate. Maybe you've never seen it before. On the other side of the gate, there's a path, and we're just gonna step through the gate and walk down that path. Now, keep breathing nice and deeply. Take in your surroundings. What do you see on your path? What do you smell? And around a nice gentle corner, and there waiting for us around the corner is an old friend, a companion, someone who loves you deeply and truly, makes you feel safe and held. Uh-oh. After a while of playing, we're gonna have to go back along the path that we came, and when we get back to our gate, you stop for a moment. You're struck by the sensation of feeling the love that your companion has for you. Safe and warm and validating. And we're just gonna step back through our gate, back through the other side, and keep breathing but relax. I'm gonna put Stella into the back seat of my green Subaru Outback, and we're gonna head home. So that was a resonating self-witness meditation, or a version of it. The first time I ever did this meditation, Stella, my old dog, was my companion, and she walked with me. And at the end of that meditation, I had this realization. Maybe I could one day love myself as much as this dog loves me. So my brain exploded when I had that thought, and I wrote this poem. I love my dog more than I know myself. I am certain that through her stench, I will cuddle. Through her slobber, I will smile. But of myself, there's a certain lack of specificity, a wanting with drive that seldom achieves precision. Stella wants to be able to get up and down the stairs every day. I want to be an artist. I just love her so much. And I'm learning to love myself too. Thanks.
Hey, y'all. Hi. I love you.
I love you too.
Well, I'm just checking my phone here, and the word on Fear Avenue is that Slashy Douglas has returned again. In fact, this Friday the 13th, stabbing and slashing a lot. Yeah, my thoughts exactly. Yeah, it says that after all the slashing, Slashy makes sure that you're still alive well enough to place a haunted VR headset onto your face, forcing you into That's right. Forcing you into an unwanted quest into Data World. A place where our Mindra is harvested by an advanced cyber being known only as the Sorcerer.
No way! Friday the 13th? That's today!
Unfortunate circumstances. According to my findings, Data World is a place where all of our cyber selves go to live in cyberstasis hell. With no return.
Sounds about right.
Well, with that said, I'm gonna go into the kitchen and grab some Fago. I'll be right back.
Last time you drank all of it, girl.
You know, if I'm to be forced into Data World, you bet your puppet buns that I'm gonna fight, and I won't stop fighting.
Yeah, nobody's gonna force me to do that stupid Fortnite shit against my people. I will
Hey everybody, what's up?
You missed a lot! A lot has happened since we left for a brief walk!
Wait a second. What's going on here? Where's Crowley? And is anybody seen Clucky around?
Oh my God! Look, you have potatoes! And holy cow!
I'm gonna go look around and see if I can find out what's happening. This is just.
Look at here!
Oh my God! I found more of our friends. All dead.
Puppetology. Which has brought me here this evening. I've been thinking, what if someone could create or invent a machine or contraption that could harness the collective positive energy felt by a group of people when they witness the magic of puppetry? Wouldn't that be wonderful? Well, behold. On an experiment.
Yeah!
Let me set the gauges. Okay. This is now going to gauge you for the rest of this performance, and we're going to check back in on it later. Secondly, I would like to show you my latest mycological experiment.
Yeah!
I have been attempting to grow mushrooms. Mushroom. These are a mushroom that feed on the most prevalent of societal decay, plastic. I know that I'm not the only one in this field, and it's a rush to publish the paper, and so hopefully my name will be in a scientific journal before you can even say the words "in conclusion." They're cute, aren't they? They're barely fruiting. Oh, I forgot. It's time to feed them. Okay. This is the special feeding syrup. Only once, a little bit, because any more than that could be, well, catastrophic. And now, I would like to introduce you to my companion in scientific research. Why, hello. My name is Pinky the Rat. I can speak 75 languages interspecies and can escape any maze that you can put me in. grateful to Suzie Sal for escaping me from that horrid place, and I am so glad to help her with her research. I think that we are currently on the cusp of a scientific breakthrough. Oh, really, Pinky? You think so? I didn't want to say anything, but I think so too. Of course, Suzie. You have worked so hard. Well, Pinky, it's getting late. We better get some shut-eye if we're gonna have a full day of science tomorrow. All right, let's head home. Now, how can we make this proceed a little bit faster?
Damn it, where's Brain?
What a lovely day for supper. Where did the mushrooms go? Oh no. Oh no. Pinky, not again! No, Pinky, no! Baby, Suzie! Oh no, what have we done, Pinky? Baby, Suzie! I think we created a monster, and I hate to say it, I don't have any plastic left to give it. Straws? Cups? Plastic bags? Anything? Do you have anything to feed it? I guess it's time to report my findings to the higher-ups. I guess I'll report back to you all later. So do you all want the good news or the bad news first?
Good news!
The good news is that the world of science might actually know my name! This is the best of all of my research! The puppetometer works! Look at these results! They're off the charts!
And like a lot of ideas, they just kind of crumble initially. So I went home, was kind of depressed, because I'm in the idea business. So I just took some advice from my mom. She said, you know, it's always darkest before dawn. She also told me no one ever fucked up their life without a good reason. So I just decided I'm going to sleep on it. Maybe it's a shitty idea. But you know what? I was glad I played. Right? I was glad I played.
Yeah.
So I had a good night's sleep. That's me sleeping on my stomach, if you can't tell. Just had a nice night of sleep, right? Okay, maybe I had a drink. Or two. I was pretty depressed. I hadn't come up with a good idea. Crushed some beer cans on my head. I don't smoke, so I don't know how those butts showed up. But then after a good night's sleep, after a couple days, I realized, you know what? Ideas are best when you just keep cranking. Maybe something will emerge from the debris, from the dust. Who knows? And know that because I'm in the idea business. So I thought, how do I turn a defeat of an idea into something happy? So I just kept thinking about it, just like this. I took it home, and what do you know? I came up with a positive ending I think anyone can appreciate. Fresh, green, natural idea. Thank you.
Thanks, Katrina. You really got me out of a tight spot back there.
All I had was a memory of that lazy river. All the times we had, all I had, and you.
Hey, I'm gonna have to hit the open road for a little while. I'll catch you later, buddy. Please, Steven, come back! Oh, you're the only one that loves me!
sens doux. Zoubi zoubi zou. Zoubi zoubi zou. Zoubi zoubi zou, zoubi zou, zoubi zou. Le bruit des bisous. Dans les buissons sous le ciel du mois avril, les amoureux glissent à pas le loup. Comme les oiseaux, ils ont rendez-vous. On entend partout. Zoubi zoubi zou. Zoubi zoubi zou. Zoubi zoubi zou, zoubi zou, zoubi zou. Mon Dieu qu'ils sont doux. Mais dites-moi, savez-vous ce que veut dire entre nous? Zoubi zoubi zou, zoubi zou, zoubi zou. Ce que veut dire zoubi zou, ça veut dire je vous l'avoue. Mais oui, je n'aime que vous. Zoubi zoubi zou, zoubi zou, zoubi zou. Mon Dieu que c'est doux. Quand tu m'embrasses doucement dans le cou, car c'est curieux, tu vois, je l'avoue, ça me fait zoubi zoubi zou. Zoubi zoubi zou. Zoubi zoubi zou, zoubi zou, zoubi zou. Mon Dieu que c'est doux. Zoubi zoubi zou, zoubi zou, zoubi zou. Des petits bisous. Zoubi zoubi zou.
I want to find out who you really are. Charles Thompson, the owner of John Thompson Smoothie Stand? Why? Why do all these horrible things to everyone?
Larry Vance! You thought I forgot about what I did last summer? You made me lose my super secret smoothie recipe to the rival down the road. I would have gotten away with it too. For you meddling